kneel before my cause, and be silent as believe. Believe before my honor, and have respect to my honor. That you may believe, censure me in your wisdom, and await in your senses, that you may have the better judge. There be any in this assembly, and the children of Caesar, to him I say, that who does love to Caesar was no less than he. If then that friendly man were who sues against Caesar, this is my answer. Not that I love Caesar less, but that I love Rome more. Had you rather Caesar were living to live all free, than that Caesar were dead to live all free men? As Caesar loved me, I weep for him. As he was fortunate, I rejoice at him. As he was brilliant, I honor him. But as he was ambitious, I slew him. There is peace for his love, joy for his fortune, honor for his favor, and death for his ambition. Who is he so peace that would be abandoned? His meaning, speak for him have I offended. Who is he so rude that would not be a Roman? His meaning, speak for him have I offended. Who is here so vile that will not love his country? His meaning, speak for him have I offended. I fought for our life.